so here's what we're fixing today. In the hallway of the science building, and we have a 2x2 light out, and we're going to convert that to an LED. You're always having to dodge students. So, let me turn a light on here. And what you have to do is find out where this is being fed from. And it looks like it's coming out of LPE 22 circuits 1 and 2. So I will need to go find that panel, shut the power off, and then we're going to replace this light right here with an LED panel. The other electrician believes he just found the panel located in a completely different area of the building. So we're going to give this a try. Okay, Zach, I'm ready. That's it. All right, back above the ceiling. And now we've got to pop out this flex out of this existing fixture so we can pull it out of the ceiling. So you just give it a couple taps like that. Pull this out and set it to the side. Get it well out of your way because you're going to want to lift this fixture up, and you don't want anything over top of it in order to do that. Okay, we're up in the ceiling on this new 2x2 fixture. We just need to remove these 2 screws. And this should just flip down. This will expose the wiring. That's where we hook it up. Okay, we are at the top of the fixture. We'll run our wires through. Okay, then come down below and run your lock nut on. Tighten it down, and I usually take a pair of channel locks from above just to make sure it's snugged up nice and tight. Okay, in this group of wires we have a pink, a purple, green, white, black. The pink and the purple are as if you have a dimming system on this, which we do not, so I'm going to cut those and just cap them off, and we'll only be using the black, white, and green on this installation. Okay, you'll see that I've hooked the white and the black wires from the fixture up to the power. And I've capped off the purple and the pink. And the last wire to hook now is the ground. So I'll tuck all these up here and we'll put the plate on. Okay, at this point, the fixture's been replaced, rewired, and we're gonna head down and turn the breaker on. Okay, we've entered the electrical room, and we're gonna turn the breaker back on. Okay, we're walking back to see if we did our job correctly, and the light is on. It's a lot brighter than the other ones. It's a 4000K, and so are these others. They're just a different style, and that's what the new LEDs look like.